Two other examples I just want to briefly show are good and bad. And this is something where I discuss with students frequently. That is, some students might use the phrase good data or bad effects. Now, on face value, you might seem to say that, what's wrong here? What might not be as accurate or as academic is there are many ways that something could be good or bad, right? So if you're talking about good data, why might it be good data? Um, so what we want to do is to include a more academic, specific adjective that might be used to describe data, something that might be positive, right? So again, I would go here, I would search for, I would insert adjective, data, and let's limit this to academic. So here we have just a big list of different ways that we can use, that we can further describe data. And perhaps you would scroll down and you might say that, um, look for a more positive adjective that's more specific and more descriptive of what you are talking about. So so that might be something to use for this. The next one would be effects, right? Bad effects. What we want to do, maybe say something more specific than just bad. So again, adjective, effects, and I do want to limit this to academic. And right here we see the main main adjectives that can be used to describe effects. Negative effects, adverse effects, positive, significant, fixed, indirect, long-term. So again, maybe if I'm talking about bad effects, maybe I want to say negative effects instead. Maybe I want to say adverse effects. Um, maybe it's random. Maybe the effects are more random, and so I want to say random effects. So again, these are just ways to make your writing more precise, more academic, and more descriptive. Um, and also at the same time, perhaps clearing up some tricky grammatical questions that you might have in your own writing.